Dentures were utilized for centuries to fill in missing teeth and to restore smiles. Through time, the development of dental prosthetics has taken an interesting process from the use of animal teeth for dentures to today's prosthetics that we use in the present. In this clip, we'll explore dentures' history and the way they've changed over the years. Early history of dentures. Dentures are a common practice that is traced to the earliest civilizations, such as those of the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. Dentures of the early days were typically constructed from the teeth of animals as well as ivory or human teeth. Wealthy people often had dentures constructed from valuable metals like silver and gold. But the first dentures were usually uncomfortable and susceptible to degrade. The rise of modern dentures. It was not until the 18th century that dentures started to become mass-produced and readily accessible. Dental professionals began making dentures using porcelain that were more sturdy and more natural-looking than other materials. It was the start of modern dental technology and the wide usage of dentures to replace missing teeth. The 20th and 19th centuries saw more advancements in dentures. This was due to the advent of acrylic as well as different materials, which helped make dentures more comfortable and realistic. Dentures were made to order to fit each person, providing an ideal fit and the appearance of natural. The evolution of denture technology. Recent advancements in technology have transformed the world of dentures. Digital printing and imaging allows for better quality and precise dentures to be made. Dentists are now able to create perfect dentures without any adjustments required. Implant-supported dentures are also an increasingly popular choice for patients lacking multiple teeth. The dentures are attached to dental implants within the jawbone to provide an extra secure and solid fitting. The choice is usually favored by patients since they feel more natural teeth and permits improved chewing, speaking, and speech abilities. The future of dentures. Technology continues to improve. Dentures' future is looking promising. Researchers are looking into different materials and methods to create dentures that look much more comfortable and natural looking. 3D printing is predicted to be more affordable and available, which will make custom-designed dentures easier to access. Biocompatible materials are developing to make sure that dentures are suitable to use for a long time and will not trigger any negative reaction in the mouth. The future of dentures could include sensors that check the health of your mouth and identify problems early. Dentures' evolution from the animal tooth to contemporary prosthetics has been an amazing trip. As technology advances and materials, dental prosthetics are now more comfortable, appealing, and long-lasting. Dentures' future looks promising with ongoing development and research opening the door to more effective solutions for people who require dental implants. Dentures will play an essential role in the restoration of smiles and enhancing the lives of people who have lost their teeth.